Hi, I'm Rakshan. A person's career is not something that is decided right at the start of his career, and it's not something that you decide at that point and say, okay, hey, 20, 30 years from now, this is this is the path I'm going to walk upon. Rather, a person's career is something that's going to be evolving based on the different interactions, based on the different learnings and experiences that you have throughout your career. Well, the same thing happened with me. I initially started my career as a developer, and very soon I became a senior developer. So at one such point in my career, I came across the concepts of Agile and Scrum. At that point, initial days, I did not know what it was, and these processes really intrigued me. So I wanted to learn more and more about it, and to get a sense of, I wanted a sense of direction which was lacking at that point. So that was the time when I Googled for people who can help me, and I came across Leanpitch Technologies. They had fantastic reviews on Google, and rather than wasting time on telephones and emails, I simply dropped right into their office, and I was able to have a very healthy discussion about what are my thoughts, what are my career aspirations, and how Leanpitch can help me achieve all those. And eventually, I decided on doing the CSM workshop with them. And in the workshop, the concepts were explained extremely well in a very, very simple manner that anybody without any prior experience can understand. One highlight of this workshop is there is zero presentations whatsoever. So it's all hands-on, and the entire workshop itself is designed to teach you the concepts which you are there to learn for. And this workshop also helped me get the CSM certification as well. And so with the workshop, the concepts, etc. are in place. But there are few more things that I had to understand towards my career and towards the real life scenarios that one faces. So Leanpitch also helps in addressing these, that there are regular meetups that happen, and I've started to attend all the regular meetups. So where you get to meet a lot of people from the same community where you want to be, and you get immense amount of knowledge which would rather take many years for you to build up. So all this together help me successfully transition into a successful Scrum Master. And so Leanpitch, they've been a bunch of approachable people, very helpful people, and amazing knowledge, not just on the concepts, less of theory and more about pragmatic advice that they can give. So any such success that you want to see, you can depend on Leanpitch.